How to do streaks on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can do streaks on Snapchat. So if you want to get a streak on Snapchat next to your friends list, there are a couple of rules. So to start a Snapchat streak, you and a friend need to send and receive at least one snap within 24 hours for 3 consecutive days, and the first day of a streak counts as soon as you exchange snaps with the friend. And after a few days, a fire emoji will appear next to the names of the people in your streak. The number next to the emoji indicates how many days old the streak is. To keep a streak going, everyone involved needs to send a photo or video snap in the chat every day. A streak will expire if more than a day passes without a new snap from everyone in the chat. And you can have more than one streak at a time, but each streak is only between you and one friend. You also need to be friends with the person you're trying to start a streak with. So hope this video helped you as to how you can do streaks on Snapchat. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.